Guys, we just got a super rare Fire Fang Charizard gear. I was shocked. I was about to press it. I didn't notice. This is a super rare. Oh my gosh, I haven't been playing this game honestly a lot for the past few days because I am invested in Pokemon Masters. This is an unusual fire type ore, guys. Haven't been playing this game. Haven't had the time to play this game a lot. Like, I just play once and it's over. So we got 3 summon gears from this island right now. I have a Whirlpool gear, which I haven't exactly touched. Here uses to. The summon move gauge is at max when the stage starts, which is pretty good. Let us upgrade this right away. Fire Fang gear. Let us sort by kind. Fire Fang, where are you? Fire Fang gear. Fire Fang gear. Upgrading Fire Fang gear. Level 5. Awesome. And we'll do the Whirlpool gear in the next video. I also forgot to do Coin Rush earlier. Was busy, super busy with Pokemon Masters. Fire Fang gear, guys. Open your power gear slots. So many to throw away. So many to throw away. Could do a shortcut of this, but okay, guys. Time to try it out. Did I miss any Pokemon? Any Pokemon new that appeared? No one? Fine, let's just stick with this. Shinx Grassland. Fire Fang gear. Summon gauge is at max when the stage starts. Whoops. Looks very, very ordinary. You need 6 in order to charge it up. Looks very ordinary. Yeah. Nothing, no beautiful animation. It's kind of powerful, I think. But it looks very ordinary. One more time trying this. I got 3 summon gears and I haven't exactly made anything public yet out of those 3. Try to do it later. Lugia. And that is it, guys. That was the Fire Fang Charizard summon gear. We don't have Venusaur yet. Hoping we could get it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Excited for the next update, but kind of torn my attention between Pokemon Masters and this game. See you in the next video.